Hello friends and welcome to Anka classes again. Okay. So, a linear equation in two variables ki word problems continue to see. Okay, ngasi question is a bit tough, natra kitang complicated oi, but we will be using the same concept. Koi na mamang decision agiba selling price, cost price, profit percentage, loss percentage decision agiba concept to mukakoi season asi. Okay, so before we proceed, natra aikoina mamangda concept ama sizinagi adu karino haibet yengsiko. Aikoina sizinagiba concept to karino haibda karigumba percentage profit ki oiba. Profit ki oiraba natra profit percentage piramaba adu oitardi selling price kari oini haibda cost price plus profit percentage of cost price oini. Okay, aduga karigumba loss percentage piramaba adudi selling price is equal to cost price minus loss percentage of cost price. Sigi concept ani sini koina last session mamangi session, I think it must be 2 sessions before natra koina discuss to give you. So if you want to understand this concept again, then please revisit that session. Okay, anyways, I coin a sigi question. Today is the session nagadori badi. We will be dealing with this one because profit katane mana pyramids. All right, so we will be dealing with selling price is equal to cost price plus profit percentage of cost price. All right, so anyways, question is the and then we'll try and understand how to use these concept. Okay, so farmer Ramana sold a cow. A farmer sold a cow and a calf for 12,750. 12,750 that mana cow muga calf muga yole. Okay, san namaga san muga. Thereby making a profit of 25% on the cow and 10% on the calf. Nada 25% cow the profit fanga, 10% na calf ta. Nada mana 11,925 ta yolambat taradi magi profit si sandu the 10% oini and calf to the 25% oigani. Okay, so aham the mana transaction aham piram. Okay, let's call this kahani analysis macham toksi question ji phajana understand hana toksi and then we will solve. Oh, mana sanji 1,700 and 12,750 the yon to ye. Okay, kai kai ni yol is a cow amaga calf amaga. We'll call this the selling price. Yeah, record. Mana shiki transaction jida is the sanjida mana kya pange hai 25% profit pange and san macha jida mana 10% profit pange. Okay, now karigumba mana yon thukpa matamda 1,125 ta yolamba tarabadi. Okay, we'll call this the new selling price. Natra adu itadi cow sida mana profit phangdoisi 10% phangamgani and calf sida mana phangdoisi profit 25% phangamgani. This is the question. Okay, so sida is the selling price ani lakani. Okay, profit ani lakani. Okay, sige sina sida is the lakpo profit me hamzina new profit and higher z natra. There is a lakpo me hamzina new mamangi profit another higher. Anyways, so we will try and understand. Okay, analysis kita ngam phajana muk tawsi kamaina question je approach tawni hai. Okay, so first of all ahamada aikoina cow me biraji natra question ji kamaina analyze tawsi ke. Okay, now cow ji cost price aikoina x ne lopho je natra calf ji cost price na y ne lopho je. Okay. Now, cow is the one funny profit again now 25%. So, profit percentage. This is the one cow is the cap 25%. Aduga calf is the cap 10%. Nareko. So, this is the adu itardi magi selling price of cows kya orani. Aikoina selling price of cows is in matamda karigumba profit laitardi selling price is equal to cost price plus profit percentage of cost price na haidana. Adumai tawdana selling price of cow becomes cost price x plus 25% of x. Natra sige ja hypet kya tagi x plus 25 by 100x natra adu oitari sige kya tarani 100x plus 25x upon 100 which is equal to 125x by 100 natra. Similarly, selling price of the calf se kya leni y plus 10% of y kya tare ko adu oitadi y plus 10 by 100y which is equal to LCM 100 lorni matlab 100y plus 10y. So we get 110y by 100. Yeah, go. Now, my total selling price is the total selling price is 125x by 100 plus 110y by 100. Adu itari se kya tara 125x plus 110y upon 100 tare. Okay. Now, today is the question is the Sigi never when put is the Sigi Pochika never when put is. Adu ita di man Sigi Kamani you'll have 12750 tie have metro. Adu ita di 12750 taduji carino. And Kumatamda, she is the lady Basi. So this is like 125 plus 110y by 100 is equal to 12750. Draw. Natra. Ado ita di equina. So this is the 125x plus 110y is equal to 125 12750 000. So we'll call this equation 1. This is the first equation. Okay. So similarly, I call the cost price the x nen laure natra mathangi condition sige condition je happen sige condition je the cow the 10% calf se 25% happen natro adu oita di new profit se kya tarani moige 10% or withdraw cow sige natra amma zigina 25% so maina loin hotorok matamda natra magi new selling price se kya tarani x plus 10% of x. Natra ado ita desi kya tarani 110x by 100. Natra chaman tarani. Similarly is one akan is the y is the kalani y plus 25% of y laktine y kay no the ani suba transaction is the calf the 25% ne natra profit se ado ita desi kalani 125y by 100. Jantare ko as it is the amuk magi anova new total selling price kala ani ani jeti ni 110x by 100 plus 125y by 100 natra sig kya tara 110x plus 125y upon 100 natra so sig is ani shuba transaction ki total selling price tare see the total selling price mana kaya ne hai 11925 ne haram natra adu ita di ekoi de kari harni 110x plus 125y upon 100 is equal to 11925 natra so this is equal to 11925 natra this is 110x plus 125y is equal to 11925 double 0. We'll call this equation 2. Natra adu ita de koi da equation ani phange sigisina equation ani je solve toroga we can find the value of x and y. Yan tarani ko kitang di sange natra question je approach to buzu light there, but nonetheless I hope all of you understood. All right, anyways we will continue natra adu solution ji kamaina ini habji yengasi so maina question ji data yam yaurba. Okay, adu ita di my suggestion is data yam je han ithopio. Okay, adu ita di ekoina ham the solution data yam je han ithokta di nang na hot matam de so refer tawda yam lai. So given question ji yam chaurba adu ita di so there is a selling price of cow and calf. Kya tha man ham the rupees 12750 rupiah. Natra mathang the profit made on cow. Profit made on cow is ham the kya ham transaction ki 25%. Similarly, profit made on sale of calf, which is 10%. There I go. Mathang the amuk new selling price of cow and calf. Selling price ano natra rupees 11925. There I go. Now see this is the amuk new profit made on cow. This is 10% and new profit made on calf, which is equal to 25%. Question ji am chaurba if there are lots of data natra this data yor jama ani hom mari ma taruk natra sige there is a chance that you might misinterpret the data amage mauta ma hapsen give ai natra adu gumba me am to avoid taunaba I would advise you suggest you to write down this small step natra mathang hotar kumatanda it will be easier for you. Okay, now mathang dadi kai hani let x and y be the cost price of the cow and the calf. There I go. Adu ita the now selling price of the cow aham transaction ki tawrse natra so cost price plus aham transaction ki 25%, so 25% of x natra adu ita si kailani x plus 25 by 100x, which is equal to 100x plus 25x, which is equal to 125x by 100. Natra similarly selling price of the calf, which is equal to y plus 10% of y. Natra adu ita di y plus 10 by 100 y. Natra adu ita di 100, so 100 y plus 10 y. Yan tare ko. So we have 110 y by 100. Okay, now so there is the selling price of the cow and calf is equal to kailani ani je tinjana natra adu di so there is the ani je tinjana adu kya tare 125x by 100 plus 110y by 100 natra adu ita di koi de kai lere 100 125x plus 110y. Okay, sige je koi na aham transaction nitra so from question aham transaction da kai lere kai habia ra adu de 125x plus 110y by 100 is equal to aham transaction gi 12750 kai dila I ham transaction gi se data de yengzi so 12750 sila okay now today is the 125x plus 110y is equal to 12750 100 ची सोनाकांदा पुथोक्रेसी okay and 100 ची पुथोक्रेदी we will take 5 common here नंतर 5 common लौथोसी 5 2 is 10 5 5 is 25 plus 5 into 22 is equal to 110y already 1275000 yan tayo ko tadu ita this is the 25x plus 22y is equal to equal the 1275123 zeros by 5 lapra natra numbers behind by 1 ida tadu ita we have 25x plus 22y is equal to 25500. We'll call this equation 1. Okay. Now, any super transaction here also new selling price of cow. So x plus new can the profit percentage is 10%, 10% of x. So we have x plus 10 by 100x implies that 100. So 100x plus 10x implies that 110x by 100. Now, similarly, new selling price of half is equal to y plus 25% of y. So y plus 25 by 100y, which is equal to 100y plus 25y upon 100. Ado itadi kaitara 125y by 100. Okay. Now, akoy da kay hara new selling price of cow and calf. Natra. Ado itadi sideza kay lerni animaki tension number 110x by 100 plus 125y by 100. So which is equal to 110x plus 125y upon 100. There you go. Now, today is the mana second transaction da kya phangi hai. Second transaction gi ekoina mamang da discuss tawgibu da mana second transaction ji sida phangiba total selling price anoba transaction ji kya kamani hai 11925 kamani hai. There you go. Adu itadi sidayda amuk chamana na tawrzi 110x plus 125y is equal to 1192500. Yare ko 5 common log thok pirazi piktha lazi number je 22x plus nada 25y is equal to 1192500. So implies that 22x plus 25y is equal to 1192500. So we have 22x plus 25y is equal to, sorry, this is divided by 5. So we have kailani 23850. So this we call this equation 2. So we have two equation 1 amaga equation 2 amaga. Now numbers already will do substitution method. Okay, so I can get from equation 1. Equation 1 is the 25x plus 22y is equal to 25500. Natra adu itadi 25x is equal to 255 000 minus 22y. Natra implies that x is equal to 255 000 minus 22y upon 25. So we'll call this equation 3. Now, see the value is the equation 2. The hapsalasi substituting in equation 2. Substituting in equation 2, the option number 22x plus 25y is equal to 238,500 implies that 22x की value क्या है ना 255,000 minus 22y upon 25 is equal to 238,500. There I go. Now cross bracket हुआ है मतलब दा मथक किसे कहीं लानी 5 6 1 1 2 3 4 okay minus 484y upon 25 plus 25y is equal to 238,500. See 25y is there. I think we have missed out. See 25y is the half go. So plus 25y. See lies. Okay. Now anyways we'll continue. Natra adu itardi. I go LCM lower see LCM the kaila 25. Natra adu itardi 5 6 1 1 2 3 4. Okay, minus 484y plus 25 into 25 is equal to 625y. Natra, or we will write 25 into 25y is equal to 238,500. Echo. Now that you will solve it 5 6 1 1 2 3 4 minus 484y plus 625y is equal to 238,500 into 25. 25 to thango krasi. Nadra 25 to thango kramatungda. What do we have? We have 5 6 1 1 2 3 4. Nadra 484 625 141y, which is equal to 596,2500. 596,2500. Okay. See calculation multiplication ni aina multiplication to uttawani because I've already solved it. Natra discussion to thunava. Okay. So we have adu itardi 141y is equal to 596,2500 minus 561 1 2 3 4. Okay, so we have 141y is equal to 3 2 3 5 2 5 0. Okay, so y is equal to 352500 upon 141, which will give you 2,500. Nadra. Now substituting y is equal to 2500 in equation 3. Substitution method ki puthoki. So we have x is equal to 255,123 minus 22y upon 25. Nadra see like given. Adu itadi 255,000 minus 22 into 2,500 upon 25. Adu itadi 255,000 minus 55123. So we have upon 25. So that'll give us 8,000. Okay, calculations yam chawi, but there is no other way. All right, there is no other way. Yam chawu number ne am raise it 25,000. How would they give? 19,000 am pirakra, 12,000 am pirakra. So calculation is bound to be big. There is no other way. Anyways, therefore cost price of cow. Cost price of cow you coin x ne logim na rupees 8,000 and cost price of calf y is equal to rupees 2,500. Okay, so this is how we tackle this question. It is a very long solution. Opilate such is the question. Long orizu, the concept remains the same. Concept see mamang the selling price, cost price, concept we are using nothing but this concept. Loss is the because we are not dealing with loss anymore. The profit percentage concept. Okay, so I hope you guys understood it. It's a very long question. I have tried to simplify it as much as I can. I hope it is easy for you to learn and understand, and I hope you had fun. Okay, so thank you for joining Anka classes. We will meet again.